video to get on here and show my Amazon haul for my, I think I'm gonna do it for the kitchen. So I got a few things for my kitchen, my silverware. I have a 60-piece flatware set, and it is matte black. So cute. So let me show you guys. I'm gonna show you one. Like, oh, it's not matte. It's okay. I don't care. It's still nice. They are black. That's the big spoon. And next, I got a black utensil set. I wanted me some matching. I got all kind of utensils in there, child. Too many. And it came with its own stand. And then these, let me show y'all. That's so cute. Got some jars for my new fridge. Y'all know my God. Look, y'all. Oh my, look, y'all. And it got the liters on here and ounces. Yeah, it got liters and ounces on here. Isn't this cute? And I got 4. I don't know what we got this for. And we got, oh, I did not just break a nail. I broke a nail. This is a mixed espresso. He wanted it in white. He did something else. He just got to do something because I'm good. So. But yeah, it's really cute. And the Keurig cup fit in there. Oh, I can't wait to use this either. I'm gonna use this too. Look at that. Look at that. So, oh my God. Look, y'all, ordered 2 of these Christmas storage bags. Thank you guys. I'll be back.
since we kicked it, you've been caught up with the bitches I don't get